On this path, we'll work to warm up the spine, to get the fluids flowing, and to work to lubricate the joints is essential for everything else that you're going to do. And in this exercise, first you'll start off with bringing your hands to your shins, just sitting in a comfortable position. And then from here, as you inhale, try not to rock the spine too much, and instead focus on moving your chest. So as you inhale, keeping the arms in one spot, push your chest forward, and as you exhale, arch back, still holding on to the shins. Try to maintain somewhat even position with your chin parallel to the floor, so your head doesn't move too much. So really can focus on moving the spine. So as you breathe, you'll breathe through the nose, so eyes closed, and inhale, push your chest forward, exhale, arch back. Let's continue this for a little bit. So eyes closed, inhaling forward, exhale back. And now inhale deeply to center. Exhale deeply. Now the second round of spinal flex, you'll feel activates a different part of the spine to open up the entire length of the spine. So bring the hands to your knees, holding onto them firmly. And again, that same principle, try to keep your chin parallel to the floor and really focus on moving the chest with the breath. So as you inhale, push your chest forward, exhale, arching back. And let's continue this together. So closing your eyes. With the straight spine, inhale. Hold the breath. And then exhale. And now this next one to help open up and release any tension from the shoulders and just prepare the body. So from here, you'll inhale, lift both your shoulders up. Exhale, you just drop them down. So keeping the hands just relaxed on your knees. Close your eyes. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, drop down. Now let's create a little rhythm with this. And close your eyes and let's work together. Inhaling up, exhale down. And then inhale, lift the shoulders up. Hold the breath in. And exhale, relax the shoulders, pull them back and down. Also on this path, we'll work with 2 acupressure points to help warm up your connection to the body. but also as great tools to help you work with managing any type of tension or stress. This first point is called Ying Tang. It's a point located right between the eyebrows, and you can just simply place your index and your middle finger right at this point and just gently press with the eyes closed. Feel that pressure, the index finger and the middle finger just lightly touching it, and just slow down your breath and just observe. And then inhale deeply, exhale deeply. And a second acupressure point is called Dude 20, sometimes known as Heaven's Gate. And this is a great point for clarity and concentration, focus. And on this, you could just find the tip of your ears, and you just draw the fingers over to the top of the head, right to the center. And this is where this point is located. So you can just simply press your index and your middle fingers right into this point on the crown of your head. Close your eyes. Relax the breath. Keeping the spine tall, the head tall. And then relax the position, relax your hands. Now you're warmed up. Palms together. Sat Nam. Thank you.